it's a new day. Some things are different, but nothing has changed. Still got my number, still got my name. Tell everybody I'm back in the game. This is happening. I am back again. Go on and fade it all to black. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
Good morning once again. Welcome to Tangub City, una ang Ginoo. Welcome to TCGC, Light of the World. Today's gathering, gitawag nato og sinag, starter pack initiatives for new auspicious generation sa TCGC marks the beginning of an academic year.
Down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then a child had look into my eyes and never let it go.
One that unfolds new dreams and shapes bright futures. Gina-look forward yun ni siya kada tuig, kada start sa semester. Kay Bibo sadya ug nag-usa tang tanan. Together, let us make this academic journey one of growth, anchored in the college values of integrity, compassion, and excellence, and guided by the city's mantra, Una ang Ginoo.
He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
Always remember, usa ka ka Lux Mundi. Ang spirit sa usa ka Lux Mundi, mo go, mo fight, o mo win. Walay kalisod, walay mga problema na makababaw sa ato mga denggo o pangandoy sa kinabuhi. Always be reminded that every challenge we face is an opportunity to grow.
I were in his place, I know